Miami's heat demands a reliable AC system all year long. This means you will need professional air conditioning services, and Coolsquad has you covered. We provide expert AC services for homes and businesses across Miami-Dade County, including AC repairs, reliable solutions for any air conditioning problem to restore your comfort quickly. AC maintenance, prevent breakdowns, costly repairs, and keep your system running efficiently. New AC installation. Replace old and irreparable systems with energy-efficient units for reliability and lower energy costs. Renovation and new construction. Professional HVAC services, including supply, installation, and maintenance for your projects. Air quality solutions. Create a cleaner and healthier air environment with high-performance filters, purifiers, and dehumidifiers. At Coolsquad, we provide certified technicians, guaranteed service, and fair pricing to ensure your satisfaction. We're licensed, insured, and work with all major brands in the industry. We provide bilingual support in English and Spanish to serve you better. Don't wait. Call Coolsquad today or schedule your service online. Coolsquad, your trusted partner for all AC solutions.